Guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram app not displaying the Explore page. So in order to fix that, first of all you need to hold on to the app for some time. Now tap on the eye icon at the top. Now scroll down a bit, tap on storage section. Here you'll find clear cache and clear data. Make sure to tap on both of them. Tap on clear cache, tap on clear data, and tap on delete to confirm your decision. Now close the app. Now tap on force stop, and after that close the app and try reopening the app. If the issue still persists, then what you can do is head over to your Play Store and go to the search bar and type in your app name Instagram. Hit search. Now tap on the Instagram icon and see if you have any update available in your device. As you can see here I have update, so tap on the update section and we'll wait for the update to install. If it shows open option when you click on Instagram, that means your app is already up to date, so no need to worry. Now after your app is up to date, tap on open and your problems will be easily fixed, and you can easily tap in the explore option and it should work just fine. That's it guys. Thank you for watching this video.